It is Tonya from Tonya's Bakeshop. If you're new to my channel, hi and welcome. Thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. By the title of the video, you guys will already know that this is a Pescience haul and unboxing. I mean, I already technically opened the box, but everything's still inside. I just wanted to see if everything was in there. So I guess this is a haul slash unboxing. I'm not that great at naming my YouTube videos, so yeah, here we go. So guys, I got my order from Pescience yesterday, but just picked it up from the mailbox today. First thing I got is this KK Fit blender bottle. I already have one, but I wanted another blender bottle just to like keep in the car or whenever I'm running around. So I got another KK Fit one. I just love the twins. If you guys don't follow them, their Instagram is like KK_fit_. The underscores, I think, are after KK and after Fit. If not, just type KK Fit in your search bar and you will find them. The twins are literally so inspirational. I freaking love them. My next few things I got in my package. These are 3 of their wellness supplements, and I have not tried any of these yet. I already take a hair, skin, and nails, a multivite, and a probiotic digestive enzyme already, but I usually just get like generic brands from CVS or anywhere else. So I wanted to get the Pescience brand since now I am affiliated with them. I wanted to try all of their products so I could give you guys an honest review. So in a few months, I'm gonna do another video on how I liked these supplements. This one is the Renuvia. This one is for hair, skin, and nails. This one comes with 30 capsules. This one is Symbiont GI. This one is the probiotic digestive enzyme. I've heard great things about this. This one actually has 90 capsules. It's 3 capsules per serving, so it's a 30-day supplement as well. And then the True Multi, this is just a women's multivitamin. They have this for women's, and then they also have a separate multivite that is specifically for men on their website as well. This one, ooh. Sorry. This one is also a 30-day supplement. This one is 90 capsules, so same thing. This has 3 pills. I don't know that I'm super excited about that because I already hate that I have to take so many pills every day. We're gonna see how I can deal with this 3 pills a day thing. Well, now it's like 6. It's way too many pills a day. But whatever. A fan favorite of mine is the True Creatine. This is the powder form. They also have this in the pill version. If you guys don't like mixing it into stuff and just would rather take pills, they also have the pill form online. Then, to complete my KK Fit stack, I have the Prolific. This is a stimulant pre-workout. And then I also have the High Volume. This one is a non-stim pre-workout. Usually what I'll do is 2 scoops of High Volume with 1 scoop of True Creatine in the morning or just like before I go to the gym. And then right before I get into the gym, I will take 1 or 2 scoops of the Prolific. I tried a new flavor this time, guys. I got Cotton Candy Prolific and Blue Frost. It says there's little, well, it just looks like there's little blueberries on here, so I'm assuming it is some sort of blueberry flavor, but I'm super excited to let you guys know how these 2 flavors are. I generally am obsessed with the strawberry kiwi, but right now they were actually out of stock on strawberry kiwi, and I also really like the Paradise Cooler flavor as well. Then, as always, Pescience always sends a bunch of supplement samples with every order for free, which is super, super cool because sometimes you just want to try stuff and you don't want to commit to buying the whole thing. Another thing that I really love about Pescience is that you can buy sample sizes of everything. So if you are unsure about which protein flavor or which whatever flavor you want to try, pick up their little sample packs, and like the protein are half servings, and then the like High Volume and Prolific, they are like 2 This one's a 2 scoop serving. So that's super, super cool. I love that they give little freebies in every box that they send, whether it's one product or whether you buy a million, they always send free stuff, and your girl loves free. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching my haul slash unboxing. I hope you guys like my videos, and I hope you guys also enjoy my channel. If you guys have any questions, or if you have any requests for videos that you'd like to have me do, please drop them in the comment box below, DM me, email me, contact me in some way. Let me know what you guys want to hear. Thank you guys so much. Have a great day.